You've heard about heritage crafts being under threat, right? Lots of them are apparently on the critically endangered list. Here in the UK, the Heritage Craft Association publishes a red list twice a year and records the number of critically endangered crafts, from copper wheel engraving to piano making, paper making. So they are doing the really important work of addressing this situation and helping to safeguard craft skills. Heritage Crafts also backed a new television series together with the Princess Foundation, which was recently aired on mainstream TV here in the UK. So when Spun Gold TV company reached out to me to take part in this new 7-part series, I said, absolutely, count me in. The series is called The Prince's Master Crafters, The Next Generation. And as you know, if you follow my channel, I'm all about helping to make sure stained glass not only survives, but thrives in the 21st century. And today, I'm going to share with you my takeaways from working on this fascinating series for Sky Arts. Hey, it's Derek here and welcome to my studio where we help you explore the wonderful world of stained glass with tutorials, artist interviews and inspirational videos. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe as it really does help the channel. Back in August of last year, I was asked to be the stained glass tutor for the new series and filming was to start in September.
The team also came to my studio, as they did with all of the specialist tutors, to give some backstory as to what the expertise is for each of the tutors of the show. It was just fabulous to be involved with this, but the greatest part of it, I think, was getting to meet Vic Reeves, the one and only Jim Moyer, who was an absolute delight to work with.
I found the whole process absolutely fascinating and met some fantastic people, not least the 6 students who were going to take part in the show. And what's my big takeaway from working on the show? Well, it's discovering the passion I have for stained glass is shared by so many fellow creatives who have an equal passion for their specialist work in this integrated world of heritage crafts. So are craft skills endangered? Well, the answer is yes, unfortunately some are. But I'm confident with the passion and commitment of this generation and the help of social media and indeed mainstream television helping to promote a love of the handmade, we can look at the resurgence of these most precious skills for future generations. And if you're interested in learning more about how to make stained glass for yourself, check out this video here, join my channel and follow along for more inspirational content. See you soon.